Another big war that is being fought in a high-profile industrialist family. You've already heard about what's going on. The family of Sanjay Kapoor, who died in a polo accident a few months ago. Well, his current wife and his former wife's families and his mother, they're all at war and things have gotten very, very ugly. Karishma Kapoor, Sanjay Kapoor's former wife, and Priya Sachdev, who is his current wife, they've got their daggers drawn for each other, and it is becoming truly ugly because Karishma Kapoor's children have now called Priya Sachdev a greedy Cinderella type stepmother. This family drama is playing out in court documents through lawyers, but these are some of the words that are being said by Karishma Kapoor's children for Priya Sachdev, who would technically be their stepmother. The war over 30,000 crore rupees estate is turning murkier, very, very personal. Sanjay's wife and ex-wife are battling it out for the family fortune.
Well, the legal battle for inheritance of assets left behind by late businessman Sanjay Kapoor today got murkier in the Delhi High Court, with lawyer representing Karishma Kapoor's kids claiming that Priya Kapoor is like a Cinderella stepmother to Karishma's children, and they have claimed that the will has been forged. They further claim that the witnesses who have attested the will have not filed affidavits in the court as they should have filed as per the law. They say that they have all the reasons to file a criminal case against Priya Kapoor for forging the will. They also say that the time the will that is in a Microsoft Word format was last edited at the time when Sanjay Kapoor was in fact on a holiday with Karishma Kapoor's son, and after that trip was cut short and he went to meet his mother Rani Kapoor just after that trip. So he was not even with Priya Kapoor, they are claiming, when the will was last edited. So these are some very big claims. They say that it could not be that the person who was so close to Sanjay Kapoor and was also made an executor of the will was not informed by him that he is making her the executor of the will. So there are several questions that they have raised in the court today. There was huge mudslinging, next level of mudslinging between the lawyers representing Priya and Karishma and in fact Rani Kapoor's lawyer. So the battle is getting murkier by the day, and in the next hearing the court will be hearing submissions from Priya Kapoor's lawyer, that is on October 13th.